The latest discovery is really a technological breakthrough. After this notebook screen laser is finished, will the screen automatically fall off? Let's uncover the answer together.
The traditional method is to use a separator to heat it up. Separate with diamond wire.
This method is slow, difficult, and easy to break steel wires. The chance of getting a screen injury is also high. As you can see, it's over now. Let's take a look at the effects. As you can see, after the laser is done, the screen automatically falls off. No operation is required. Let's test the screen to see if it works. The effect is perfect.